Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel a transfer on the Royal Bank of Canada app. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch the app, come at the bottom and click on Move Money. And from here you can see all the histories of your transfers and then you can cancel that. So for example here we can click on Send and Interact e-transfer, and right here instead of sending that transfer, click on History. Okay, now you can go ahead and click on any transfer. Let's say this one, for example, this one is $5. We'll click on this, and then you can see these are the transfer details. And here at the bottom, you should see this option as well that says cancel transfer. Okay, I want you to just click on this, and then right here you'll see which account you want the transfer to deposit back into once you have canceled it. So you click on this down arrow, choose your account, and then if you want to add a message, you can add an optional message. Then just click here on cancel now, and your money will have been returned. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.